Okay, let's see how the ferals are this morning. Spent one night in the caravan and I'm going to open the trap door and let them all out. See where they are. Hello babies. Hello. It's Daddy. Don't be afraid. Hello my babies. Right. So, any in the baskets? No. Oh, there's Snowflake. Ah, beautiful Snowflake. Hello my girl. Hello Snowflake. No, none in the shelters. Nope. Hello down there. Nope. So, no, not under there. What else we got? Oh, there's beautiful Precious. Hello Precious. Oh, there's Annie. Hello Annie. Beautiful. Hello girl. All the way up there. Okay, who else we got? Let's look down here. Nope. Nope. Oh, there's Truffles. Hello Truffles. Hello beautiful Truffles. Are you up here? Nope. No. Right, let's have a look. Down here. No, not in the baskets. Not in shelters. I mean, no. Well, no one around here. Anybody under here then? Let's have a look. Come on, we've got two more to find. Nope. Oh, there we go. Oh, there's Panther and Cougar. Oh, Panther. Cougar. Oh, beautiful. Ain't you, hey boy? Girl. Come on, babies. I'm going to open the trap door now and let you out. Right, let's move that block. Right. There goes your trap door. That's the hole that we will go in and out of. And that's it, and they can roam all across the farm now. See you later, babies. Love you.